To adjust creativity in Artlist AI, you don't use a dedicated creativity slider. Instead, creativity is influenced by how you write your prompt, whether you use free-form or structured mode, and how you use the Enhance feature, which acts as an auto-prompt tool. Start by opening Artlist AI and navigating to either the AI image generator or AI video generator. Before the AI can help expand your idea, you first need to provide a starting point. Type a few words, a short phrase, or a simple concept into the prompt box. For example, you might enter something like futuristic city, cinematic mountain landscape, or robot exploring a forest. Once you have entered your initial idea, choose how you want to work. Freeform mode gives the AI more flexibility to interpret and develop your concept, while structured mode helps guide the AI with more specific parameters and controlled inputs. After entering your prompt, click the Auto Prompt button. This is where the Auto Prompt feature takes over. Artlist AI will analyze the words you entered and automatically expand them into a more detailed prompt. It may add visual descriptions, lighting details, environmental elements, camera perspectives, mood, and stylistic cues that help create a richer result. When the enhanced prompt appears, take a moment to review it. You can keep the expanded version as is, or edit parts of it to better match your vision. The goal is to use the auto prompt feature as a starting point while still maintaining creative control over the final prompt. Next, select your preferred model and adjust settings such as aspect ratio, duration, or resolution if needed. Once everything is ready, click Generate. When the results appear, compare them with your original idea. If you want more variation, try entering a different starting phrase and using Enhance again. If you want more control, switch to structured mode and refine the expanded prompt before generating. The important thing to remember is that Artlist AI's creativity comes from prompt development rather than a slider. You provide the initial idea, and the Enhance feature can automatically build upon it to create a more detailed and creative prompt. And that's how you adjust creativity in Artlist AI. Start with a few words, let the auto prompt feature expand your idea, review the generated prompt, and create content that balances creative exploration with your original vision.